Woodworking can be hard, especially if you only have a few tools. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 essential jigs that will help you to get your projects done more quickly, accurately, and consistently. First on the list is a table saw crosscut sled. These can be used for housing grooves and dados, rebates, squaring the ends of boards, and so much more. I posted a video back in November 2021 showing how I built this one, and if you'd like your own accurate crosscut sled, you should go and watch that video next. I'll leave a link in the description below. The crosscut sled is also expandable and can become many other jigs. Like number 2, a miter sled. You can either adapt your crosscut sled as I have and make the miter sled an accessory, or you can build your own dedicated sled if you have the space to store it. This is a great addition for picture frames and trim to go around small boxes, doors, that kind of thing. And if you make this one, you can make it fully adjustable and have multiple different angles set on your crosscut sled, which will save you having to change the angle on your miter saw all the time. All I need to do if I want to have a 45-degree cut is pop this bad boy on, and away we go. Next on the list at number 3 is a clamping square. Now I made these on my CNC and 3D printer as they're easily repeatable and I can brand them. However, using the crosscut sled and miter sled, we can make these in a matter of minutes. All you need to do is get a scrap of MDF or plywood. I found 18mm works best, but you can use any size you like. Cut 2 edges perpendicular to one another. Cut that at 45 degrees to get 2 triangles. And then using a bandsaw, a handsaw, a jigsaw, anything you like really, cut out a notch in the middle so you've got something to clamp against. Bonus tip, if you put holes in your clamping squares, you can use that to put the heads of the clamps in or to hang them. Easy peasy, and these will help you to build cabinets, carcasses, and many other box-shaped things in your workshop. Coming in at number 4 is a bench hook. Now a bench hook is great for cutting things that are either too small or too long for your crosscut sled. You can also use it for sharpening chisels, sanding, planing things, anything you like really. You only need 3 pieces of wood. It can be flat, off-cut, anything. Use 1 piece for the base, 1 for the bit that goes against the bench, and 1 to push your workpiece against. This is MDF. And if you need a bit more strength and rigidity, just clamp it in a vise. Last but not least is this tapering jig. This is the only one on the list that's really standalone and needs more than just offcuts. I used cheap toggle clamps from Amazon, but you don't need toggle clamps. You can use anything as long as it holds down your work. A full build video is linked in the description down below. And with your new tapering jig, you can build a mid-century credenza, just like your favorite YouTuber. But a tapering jig is not just a tapering jig. You can also use it to join edges on boards. Till the next one, take care.